This is Kerala Set 2011. Question number 13. In which of the following models of oligopoly it is assumed that firms believe their rivals will continue to produce the same output irrespective of output produced by the firm? Options are King demand curve model, Connor's model, price leadership model, cartel formation. The correct option is option B, that is Connor's model. Connort model is based on naive behavior of the firm, and here the conjectural variation is equal to 0. Conjectural variation means first firm thinks that other firm will not react to his action. That means there is naive behavior, NAIV, naive behavior. The next question, which of the following does not indicate Lerner index of monopoly power? Which of the following does not indicate Lerner's index of monopoly power? लर्नर इंडेक्स का फॉर्मूला होता है L इज इक्वल टू पी माइनस एम सी बाई पी और L इज इक्वल टू पी माइनस एम आर बाई पी और L इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइडेड बाई ई. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज L इज इक्वल टू ई बाई 1. Lerner index of monopoly power ranges from 0 to 1, and higher the value of Lerner's index means higher the monopoly power. The next question, the economics of imperfect competition is authored by E. H. Chamberlain, John Robinson, P. Sraffa, none of the above. The correct answer is John Robinson. John Robinson authored the book Economics of Imperfect Competition in the year 1933. The next question is question number 16. In a two commodity X and Y, two individual A and B economy, the maximum social welfare is reached at any point on the grant utility possibility curve, any point on the social welfare function, the point where marginal rate of transformation equals marginal rate of substitution, the point of tangency of grant utility possibility curve with a social welfare function. And the correct option is option number D, that is the point of tangency of grant utility possibility curve with a social welfare function. Suppose on the x-axis I am taking utility from good x, on the y-axis I am taking utility from good y, and this is our grant utility possibility frontier u dash. These are the social welfare function w1, w2, w3, w4, and at this point, suppose this is point Z, we have both the curve tangent to each other, and point Z is called as the point of constraint bliss. The point of constraint bliss. Okay. The next question is that monopolistic exploitation of labor occurs when wages equal marginal revenue product, wages are greater than marginal revenue product, wages equals value of marginal product, wages are less than marginal revenue product. The correct answer is wages are less than marginal revenue product. The concept of exploitation of labor has been given by two economists, Mrs. John Robinson and Professor Chamberlain. According to Professor Mrs. Robinson, there will be exploitation of labor when wage rate is less than the value of marginal product of labor, that is wage is less than value of marginal product of labor, VMPL. VMPL is equal to marginal physical product of labor into average revenue. According to Professor Chamberlain, there is exploitation of labor when wage rate is less than marginal revenue product. of labor, and marginal revenue product of labor is equal to marginal physical product of labor into marginal revenue. The next question, if production possibility curve is concave to the origin, it shows increasing opportunity cost of production, decreasing opportunity cost of production, constant opportunity cost of production, none of the above. The correct option is option A, that is increasing opportunity cost of production.